Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you how you put a paracord wrap, simple wrap on an axe handle to protect the face when you miss, when you strike. When you miss and strike on a strike, you end up damaging you damage the face of this handle with the wood, and you put little nicks and notches in it. So to help reduce that, you can wrap the handle with paracord. I'll show you a simple and easy way to wrap it.
Every time I think I'm gonna wake up back in the jungle. Every time I think I'm gonna wake up back in the jungle.
Right, so what you need to do is keep your sheath on if you can. If you can't, tape the edge of the blade, because you really don't want that cutting you when you're doing this. I've got 12 foot of paracord here. So the first thing you want to do is make a loop in your paracord. This is your static end. You want it about an inch above the handle, so about there. Then bring the loop down to where you want to wrap to. So if I want to wrap just to there, that's as far as my loop's going to go. Now, holding that in place on the handle, I want to start the wrap. I'm going to start my wrap at the top. Then you just keep on wrapping, keep it nice and tidy in line. It'll all get tighter and neater in a second, just to get the start going. Now once you've got a few coils down, you can tidy it up by pulling on the working end, pushing it into place, getting everything in line, and then you can just start wrapping the axe like this. Pull it nice and tight. Just start wrapping the actual cord around the axe. It's just easier than actually wrapping it around the handle. Just turn your axe. This is why you keep the cover on, because this can get sharp, as you see touching against me. Every time you go around a few times, push it back up, get it tight. And just keep on wrapping. It doesn't take too long. Getting near the end. So when you're near the end, you want to push your cordage through that loop. Doesn't matter if it's underneath or on top, it just doesn't matter. And once you've got your cordage through the loop, the end you left at the top, you pull it, and it will pull your cordage under, as like that. And you can trim that end and melt it, and you can cut this end off and leave it up there. And this is a tight wrap now, that won't come off. And when you strike against it, it won't damage your wood as much. There's absorption there in the cordage. So thanks for watching. Quick and simple way to wrap an axe handle. I won't trim it off here because I'm going to undo this wrap, and I just want to show you. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like if you like the videos, and hit the little bell so you don't miss anything in the future up and coming. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.